Hello Java developers. Today we are discussing Java array. What is array in Java? We are not defining the definition of the array, but we are discussing first question of this array. Okay. Print array values in input reverse order. Okay. Okay. Now we are in VS Code and this is our class name. So create public class demo. Go inside this and create main method public static. ओके ऑटो सजेस्ट नहीं कर रहा है अपना ओके अब करने लगा है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है अगर कभी नहीं भी करता है तो अब हम एक अरे क्रिएट करेंगे इंट अरे इक्वल टू अरे का साइज अरे का टाइप क्या होगा टीजर टाइप का ओके go inside this array and take some values 20 30 40 50 semicolon then print system.out.println array in reverse order is while loop. So for while loop initialize I equal to array dot length minus one semicolon. Okay. Then while के अंदर हम क्या देंगे condition I is less than or equal to 0 and go inside this print array I plus okay empty quad and I plus नहीं I minus minus update करेंगे. Okay, now run our program. Okay, it is going to infinite terminate our program cls why it is I को while loop के अंदर अपडेट करेंगे. Okay, now it will print 50 40 30 20 and 10 in reverse order like this and remove this ln. Now it will print in same line 50 40 30 20 and 10. Okay, this is our reversed ordered array. Okay, after this video we will discuss some more questions problem of Java array. Okay.